they don't ask me to wear a mask anymore. Hi guys, welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino. In today's video, we're gonna go to UTC. I think I haven't shown you guys around UTC yet because I've only been there maybe thrice or twice. So we're gonna go there right now. I have something to exchange in Zara, and then my mom has to check a watch, and then yeah, we're just gonna go and see what else is in there. There's also Aritzia. It's currently 10:12 and it's a Friday. Also, the mask situation has been lifted already, so let's see if people are still wearing masks in the mall, because when I went to PB and last night at North Park, they don't care if you wear a mask or not. So this is my outfit. I'm wearing cotton on the top, Balenciaga, Zara, and my Nike Dunks. So let's go. Hey guys, so we're already in UTC. So the weather is really nice. Like, it's not super hot, but it's windy as well. So we're gonna go to Ben Bridge Jeweler because my mom has to look for a Rolex for my dad for Father's Day. So this is like an outdoor mall, as you can see. So I don't know if they will require masks when we go inside the actual stores. So they have Amazon books over here. Yung Rolex closed, but it's closed.
But they don't have stocks talaga. Gels.
Huh?
Gels yung ating avocado eye cream.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go here because my mom needs her skincare. So they said that it's the last day of their 25% off, so good thing my mom got it today. So we're now going here. I don't know if they're open though. They are open? So we found one, and when my mom sent it to my dad and then they decided an hour later, it was already sold. My mom's gonna look for dresses. I'm gonna look for dresses too, and let's see if they have sandals. I'm looking for like summer sandals. This is cute. Guys, they don't ask me to wear a mask anymore. I'm like trying to like see if they're gonna like ask me to wear a mask, but I guess it's official now since the government of California. I'm looking everywhere because I'm looking for dresses. Like, they don't care if you wear a mask or not anymore in stores, I guess. So, where are the dresses? It's getting hot here, so dresses are perfect. I'll show you guys the clothes. Dresses. This cute. Okay, this is cute. Okay, I'm getting this one. This is pretty. Ganda ba to? Another one. Trying to look for like bottoms, but I don't tops like a few days ago. So now I'm looking for like summer bottoms to pair it with, but I don't find any. So might just wear pants instead. I don't find any cute skirts or like shorts. I'm hungry. I'm just gonna go pay. I don't think my mom has gotten any stuff to buy. I'm getting 3 items. We're gonna go to Zara. That top is cute. Right there. There's some good dress that I like. Spooky. This is so cute, but it's super thick. So I ended up just getting these 2 tops from Zara. They're the same, but just in different colors. So this is what I ended up getting, and I didn't find the top that I was gonna exchange for like a larger size because they don't have it anymore, but I'm just gonna order it online instead. So I'm just waiting for my mom because I went up here in the kids section because there's no line, or there's a shorter line. And look at the dog. So I told you guys that the weather was nice earlier, but now it's super hot. Like there's no more wind, there's no more breeze. So it is super hot, and now we're walking to Din Tai Fung, which is like on the other side. So my mom and I are hungry, so hopefully they have seats available. So we're now in Din Tai Fung.
How are we doing today?
Good, thank you.
My name is Blaze. I'll be taking care of the menu today.
So they have their menu online too if you want to check. But I kind of know what I'm getting already, so of course I'm gonna get the sea salt and then some xiaolong baos. It's already 12:06, and sorry, I feel like you're gonna hear the music loudly and stuff, but there's a lot of people dining in. So good thing we got tables because somebody canceled and she let us in, so that's good. And then we got sea salt, green tea, xiaolong baos, chicken and mushroom buns, and shrimp fried rice, I think. So I'm gonna show you guys our food later. So after this, because like we're super hungry, that's why we decided to eat. And this is only the Din Tai Fung.
Started in the first round of food, okay?
Thank you. This is like the only Din Tai Fung here in San Diego, I believe. And they don't have the salted egg prawns, the one that we had in the Philippines, and it's my favorite, but they don't have it here. I don't think they have salted shrimp here in the States, or salted egg, I meant. So yeah, we're gonna go to H&M and probably Aritzia after this. So we're going to our mess. There's no lines.
Hello.
So these are the arounds, but we want the aloha. So we're gonna go to Aritzia. So here are the bunch of stuff that I'm gonna try on, and I got shorts over there, and then I wanted to get flare jeans, so that's what we're gonna try out. And she gave me like a bodysuit to try on with too. So let's see. This is the first one.
Sorry, the receipt's taking a while to print, but I sent it to your email.
Okay. Yep. So kids are now allowed to play in the playground. Some of them are not even wearing masks. Got the goods. I'm gonna show it to you in a haul video, I guess. It's currently 2:15 and we're about to go to the car already. It's super hot now. And so far, nobody asked me to wear a mask. Well, except in Hermes. Because they're required, like all customers has to wear a mask inside. But all in all, that was good. Even in Aritzia, they didn't ask to wear masks, so I guess it's kind of back to normal, but only if you're like vaccinated. So, and that's only in California. I don't know what other states yet. Hi guys! So the last time I talked to you was a Friday, and today is a Wednesday. It's June 23rd. It's currently 9:53. And I have an appointment for my hair at 11 o'clock. So it's gonna be the same place that I did my hair before. So I'm gonna vlog it today. And it's kind of a bit gloomy. So I don't know if it's gonna be cold because I'm wearing like a super summery dress right now. Because I know it's gonna be hot later. Like, okay, so it's cloudy but it's like 72. So it's hot. So I'm early. It's 10:44. I'm gonna go to haul some coffee first because I love their cold brew. It's cold. It's windy. So this is how it looks like. I'm at North Park. It's against the light. There you go. But anyway, I'm getting Nutella cold brew and I changed it to almond milk, and as you can see, nobody's wearing masks anymore except for the workers or the baristas, so that is really a big improvement. And this is my favorite cold brew. It's the Nutella cold brew. Hopefully you can hear me though, but it's now getting hot. Thank you. Got my coffee. Now I'm going to the salon, which is like few minutes walk only. Okay, we're here. So we're here. So this is how it looks like. Yeah. She's toning down my hair color for 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna wait and watch TikToks.
A little refresh.
So good! Thank you! Say hi! I'm gonna tag you again. So guys, we just received this package from Savorista Coffee, and it smells super good. I can smell the coffee. Let's open this up. Oh, thank you, Patricia. I can't wait to try this tomorrow because it's already night right now, so I'm gonna try tomorrow. I really cannot open with one hand. There you go. It smells so good. So I got the Colombian Skylight. This is like light, and it's sweet and bright with notes of brown sugar, cherry, orange, and a hint of vanilla. This is half calf. They also have a decaf one, but you guys know me, I love caffeinated drinks, I love coffee, and of course I'm working night shifts, so this is the perfect one. It smells so good and the packaging is really nice. Hey guys, so I am home and this is how my hair looks like with indoor lighting. I feel like it's darker of course when you're indoors, but anyway, that was it for today. I got a lot of stuff. Charan! Also guys, when I was at the mall, I checked out a lot of stuff from Zara. Hopefully I love them all. because I got a lot of stuff, like probably 7-8 items. So hopefully they arrive on time. I think they're gonna arrive July 1st, like the first week of July, something like that. So the stuff that I'm gonna be receiving from Zara, I'm gonna do a different haul, and then I'm gonna make another haul. Well, I'm gonna do the first summer haul with the stuff that I bought today, and last Friday where I also vlogged it at UTC. Remember the first part of this vlog? Also, don't come at me for not wearing masks because I'm vaccinated and I have the antibodies. Here in California, I don't know in other states, if you're vaccinated, you have the choice to wear a mask or not. Sometimes I still wear my mask, and at work, in the hospital, we have to still wear masks in transportation. And also, if you're dealing with kids, like I think school and like daycares and stuff, I think they still have to wear masks. So in my hospital, or in our hospital, we still have to wear masks. So hopefully my acne will be gone soon. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this 2-day vlog. And don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what videos do you want me to do next. And God bless and stay healthy.